Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these two easy, delicious breakfast smoothie recipes. These two recipes are two of my favorite post-workout smoothies that I drink throughout the week. So let's get to the ingredients for the first recipe. I have some almond milk, some fresh bananas, and one bag of berry medley. It consists of frozen black and red berries as well as some strawberries. I'm using my Ninja blender, but you can use any blender. I'm starting off by adding about 3 to 4 bananas to my blender. If I were to make my drinks to drink today, I would add my ice first, then my bananas. Since I'm meal prepping my smoothies for the week, I'm not going to add any ice at this time. For my dry ingredients, I have some chai seeds as well as some old-fashioned oats that I have grinded in my blender into a powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chai seeds. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of my grinded old-fashioned Quaker oats. Lastly, I'm pouring my milk according to the amount of 16-ounce jars that I would like to fill. My blender has measurements, which makes it easier for me. So guys, let's blend these ingredients together for about 30 seconds. Now that my smoothie is blended, I'm adding in 2 cups of the frozen berries. It's just my preference, but you have the choice of just blending all your ingredients together at the same time. I'm blending my smoothie until it is smooth. So guys, those ingredients give me a little bit over 72 ounces of smoothie. I have a total of 6 jars and I'm going to fill them with my smoothie, then tightly seal them. So guys, my smoothie only filled 3 full jars and about 12 ounces of another jar. Only because I just noticed that my jars are 20 ounces and not 16 ounces. So guys, for the second smoothie recipe, I am replacing the frozen fruits with some coconut milk. So I have some almond milk, some fresh bananas, 1 can of coconut milk, my chai seeds, and my grinded old-fashioned oats. Add 2 bananas to the blender. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of coconut milk, then 3 cups of almond milk. You can use the milk of your choice. I have a little over 40 ounces before I blend my ingredients. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my chai seeds and 2 tablespoons of my grinded old-fashioned oats. So this is the consistency of the oats. So now let's blend all the ingredients together to get a smooth smoothie. I'm filling my 2 remaining jars and the jar with the 12 ounces of berry smoothie. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite breakfast smoothie or any smoothie. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.